Hey everyone, in this tip, I just want to show you a way that you can be creative with flat lay images and just have a bit of fun with your stories and obviously make them stand out to other people. So I'm going to add a story. Now what I've done is I've gone to Pixabay and I've put in coffee flat lay and I found some coffee images. So this one, I'm just going to press on this one. Now I'm going to turn it round with my fingers and I'm going to obviously make it bigger on the screen. So then that's full. Right, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the sticker at the top. I'm going to go to GIFs and I'm going to type in Cafe Zim. And obviously it comes up with all these coffee sort of GIFs basically. So I can literally choose whichever one I want. So I'm going to go for the heart one. So literally I'm going to press on that. And now what I can do is obviously make it bigger and add it into my coffee cup. So make it actually part of a coffee cup. So obviously it's making that the static image sort of animated. And then I'm going to go back to the sticker. I'm going to go back to GIFs again. And I'm going to type in Leslie. And I'm going to choose this one, Lazy Sunday. So then I'm going to have Lazy Sunday on there as well. So, you know, there's different ways that you can actually make static images pop and obviously stand out in your stories, and it's all within the app. So I hope that helps to help you guys get a little bit more creative, and I'll speak to you in a bit.